this is Business Hunters. I want to give a sincere review about this website. This is e-commerce Wala. I was doing research about my e-commerce business and I stumbled upon this website. These guys are well known. They are authority in website design when it comes to e-commerce website. If you are somebody who wants to major in e-commerce business, you have to stay tuned. I want to analyze this website. These guys, they design e-commerce website like the Shopify's website, and they also not only do they build it, they also optimize and all of that. So when I stumble upon it, I decided to make a review. I decided to make a video about this particular website. So I want to also take you to their YouTube channel to see these guys and to know their presence and all of that. Before we go back to the website to analyze it, I'm going to show you how much it costs to build a website, an e-commerce website with them. And also they have courses on SEO, search engine optimization, and the cost of enrolling in their SEO and all of that. We are going to look into that to see if it's worth it for you to enroll in their SEO or to contact them to build an e-commerce website for you. This is what I want to be talking about in this video. And as you can see, this is the guy that is behind the website called e-commerce Wala. His name is Usman Chughtai, and is a Pakistani share guy. He has been doing so great in that region. A lot of people has been talking about this guy online. When I stumbled up, I did a lot of research about him. He has been doing a lot of great things over there. So this is one of his conventions that he was talking about e-commerce, teaching his audience and all of that.
20 नहीं जनाब 16,000 रुपया 18,000 कर दी अभी 18,000 रुपया जो एब्सोल्युटली सो लड़ ठीक है। अगर एक बच्चा जिसको हम लोग 18,000 दें या 20,000 रुपया दें और वो रोज 8 घंटे काम करे तो उसके पर आवर क्या बनते हैं पता है आपको?
So if I scroll down here, you can see a lot of people are saying a lot of positive things. Like you see this one, very informative video, sir. Thank you for e-commerce teaching. A lot of positive, very good information, sir. A lot of positive reviews that these guys are having on here, as you can see on their YouTube channel here. I am interested in e-commerce. Please help me. So as the name implies, e-commerce Wala, they major in building website for people, e-commerce website for people. And the question is, how much does it cost to build a website with them? I want to scroll down to show you how much it costs to build a website. So if you are somebody that wants to contact them, you can come over here and you can come and fill this form and send and contact them here. At the end of this video, I will put the link of this website in my description. So in case you want to visit them, you can actually click the link under my video from there. This is the guy himself here.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। ई-कॉमर्स की दुनिया में आपको Amazon के ऊपर स्टोर खोलना चाहते हो, eBay के ऊपर कुछ सेल करना चाहते हो, पेपाल पाकिस्तान में नहीं आता, आपको समझ नहीं आती कि आप eBay के ऊपर क्या बेचो, Amazon के ऊपर क्या बेचो, बहुत सा कंपटीशन है। आप आज एक प्रोडक्ट लिस्ट करते हो तो जैसे ही उसकी सेलिंग स्टार्ट होती है आपको कुछ
But the constraint I have here is he's always speaking his native language. I don't really know if we can work with other English speaking language like other countries. But if you look deep into this website, everything that is written, the configuration of the website itself is purely English language. So I think they can also work with the English speaking countries. So let's go down to what you're seeing here is just the stages of building a website, from project discussion to strategies development, team selection, website design, perform test, and your website will come alive. So that is just a basic stuff. So this is the cost of building a website here. If you want to build a startup, it's $400. This is deemed selection, support and backup. Then they will build a website for you and all of that. It's $400. Then for business, a package here. Then they will select the DIM. Payment gateway will be installed for you. Delivery time will also be configured. Then when it comes to brand, they will select the DIMs, payment gateways, delivery time. So they will also support you and all of that. So that's the cost of building a website, an e-commerce website with e-commerce Wala, as you can see here. So they have courses for SEO also, in case you want to learn SEO to master it so that you can optimize your website by yourself. You can also come and enroll with these guys. So when you come here, you're going to click on enroll. Then this is the cost of enrollment. This is 10,000 Indian rupee. I think this is rupees, or what is it? What is it that you can see here? This is 25 for SEO Guru agency and all of that. So when you read this here, this is what they're going to offer you here for this one here. Question and answer session facility with e-commerce Wala. Digital and paper certificate. They give you certificate when you finish this your lecture with them. And this lecture duration is about 3 months. You're going to learn it for 3 months. These courses, you're going to learn them for 3 months. You also have on this side here, you have access on mobile and TV. A whole lot of good stuff that these guys are offering here. So this website is actually legit. It's a legit website. So let me take you down to the bottom of the website so that you see what people are talking about. Their review here. As you can see here, Farouk Shahid, he gives a review about this website here. Among the different designers I've met, their design quality is the best I've ever seen. That's Farouk Shahid. Then you see Asim Sharif here. I have worked with so many different website companies. This was the most refreshing experience I've ever had. The communication was great, as always. Everything from design to development of our e-commerce website for Jiu-Jitsu was managed with utmost attention to detail and timelines. They complete every task and answered every question thoroughly as possible. I will definitely be using them again. So you can see these guys have a very positive commendation here, or you can even call them through their phone numbers here. So I think they are people that you can actually work with. I have not seen any website that actually stands out like this particular website when it comes to designing website for e-commerce shopping website. If you are looking forward to major or to go into a major e-commerce business, look no further. Just contact e-commerce Wala for your e-commerce business. If you're somebody who wants to start making money online, I don't really know if they have apps on Google Play Store that you can download their app and also navigate to their website from there. So that's all I can say in this video. I really appreciate your time. Take care.